Hi, my name is Autumn Coleman, and this is my Weebly portfolio page I have made for iTech 3100 for the summer semester. Alright, to start off, the page on my Weebly that I am most proud of is my communication and collaboration tools page. This page took me a long time to make because I fully invested myself and made a fun lesson that I would have enjoyed to partake in during my time at school. I learned how to use a Padlet page, which I have embedded here, to incorporate multiple fun activities while promoting communication between me and my students. Right here. And then at the end I have the whole lesson plan on a scribd document. And next, the biggest challenge, in my opinion, was my digital learning page, which I have right here, and this is a link to the Google slide that I made. The page was challenging because it took the most time, and instead of making activities for one lesson, I had to figure out fun things to do over the course of 3 days. One of the challenges I faced was inputting audio to my Google slides. I had to try multiple different ways until I found something that worked for me, which is just how technology goes sometimes, but it was definitely a learning experience. The best lesson idea of mine was for my multimedia page, audio to be specific. I told students to come up with a spin-off story to which they will make a podcast showcasing their story. I enjoyed learning how to make a podcast during this model, and I look forward to using a lesson similar to the one I created in the future for a language arts lesson because I love to hear students tell stories, especially stories they wrote themselves. And then I'll show the video part of that, and then this is about digital citizenship. So yeah, I guess to conclude, the most important practice I learned this semester is how to build a website, which is what the class is all about. But I have never built a website before, and being able to see all the work that I've done over the course of the semester feels very rewarding. I enjoy having my work showcased in a way that I can have forever. I may have my students do something similar to showcase their favorite projects they have created so they can look back on their learning and how far they have come over the course of the school year. Thank you.